busted the windshield right out of this thing.
I'm glad that didn't happen when we were in there.
My name's Roth Wismar. I got 6 ZV4 15s on 3 NS1s. 18 D1600s.
That's a lot of battery.
Oh yeah, she weighs a lot. I couldn't afford to drive this thing daily. I weighed before I came. Without me in it was 6240. Gas alone would kill you. I got two 125.4 Sundown for the mids and highs, 2 6s and 2 8 PRVs with 2 of their Neos. All the doors are all Neos. They do pretty decent. I mean, they keep up. I'm not putting much power to them with the whatever I'm wired at the amps, but keeps up with what I got, so that's all that matters. So I usually stand outside and give demos to a couple people at once, more bang for my buck. I control my 4-channel subwoofer amplifiers. I got fans on all the amps, fans under the hood. Got an idle control so I can rev it up. And I got my voltmeter, my RPMs, and my temperature sensor. Pretty convenient.
Got a recoat on his head. All right, coming in with another crazy bass demo, we got Roth.
We both get to sit in there 3. You go on next side.
6 ZV4s on 3 NS1s.
Yep, at half.
At half ohm.
16 volt.
And we got Elise in here. She's eating some pizza. Let's get crazy. Damn! I'm out of here, dude. You're killing my eyeballs with my own hair. About 20 minutes after our demo, he busted the windshield right out of this thing. Good thing we weren't in there, right? Protect our eyes. entertainment right there. That had me giggling inside with the friggin' reek cones bouncing over here. Cones, they're hot, I can smell them. But that's how we're doing it, right here, guys.
Huge thanks to our friends at the Amp Lab for supporting the EXO channels. If you've got a busted up amp that needs repairing or just looking to buy new and used gear, be sure to check out the Amp Lab. Troy and Ethan are always hooking it up for us bassheads. Follow the link below. Now let's get back into it.
Is your car here?
My car?
Yeah.
I wish, no. I got him down some equipment, waiting for some deliveries, if you know what I'm saying. Looks good, dude. That's something right there. Did you build all this yourself?
Chad Bleak built it. Team Flopbox.
Oh, I hear that, dude. I should have been doing that to mine in the first place, but I gotta say, this whole setup back here looks mint. I love how it molds together really well, all this. Good job.
Thank you.
I like it. So you drive this everywhere you go?
Yeah.
Right, man. Team Flopbox.